Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to enable Face ID in your Citibank application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to citi.com right here, and this is going to open up the home page. From here, you want to get started with logging into your account that you're going to go and be using your Face ID with. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is register for one or activate. As you can see right here, you can open up an account. But basically guys, after you have gotten your account, now you can go ahead and get started with downloading it on your application on your mobile phone. So to be able to use Face ID, you're going to need to have the application. It's not possible on PC. If you want to use it on PC, you can use the passwordless sign on, but it does not have Face ID. So once you've got an application on your mobile phone and you have logged in and you have been greeted by the home page, now we can get started. As you can see here, we have an article showing us what we have to do to turn on Face ID. So basically this is the Citibank application that once you open it up, it's going to look like this. From where you can open up the settings. In the settings, you're going to go into biometrics. So in the setting options, you want to click biometrics. That's going to enable you to enable Touch ID. And one of the options as well is to go ahead and be enabling biometrics and desktop signing using biometrics. So this is going to enable you to use Touch ID if you have a Touch ID option on your mobile phone. If you have Face ID such as on an iPhone, it's going to say Face ID. So make sure to know which one you're turning on. After that, you can just set it on normally, and then you can go ahead and get started with the passwordless sign on. As you can see, this is going to go enable you to scan your code on your PC and then log in that way. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.